Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tool that would help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to explore the best ETF trading platform and apps that you can rely on for speed, efficiency, and access to the global market. Whether you are focused on charting, automation, or execution, the right trading platform can give you a real advantage. Each platform will cover has its unique strengths and features that you will need to understand before choosing one for your trading journey. So stay with me till the end of this video so that you will discover which platform suits your style and how you can fit this into your trading style. The best ETF trading platform when it comes to trading the exchange traded funds, the platform you choose can play a decisive role in how efficiently you analyze, plan, and execute your trade. And an ETF is simply a basket of securities, stocks, bonds, commodities, or other assets that can be traded like a single stock on an exchange. What makes the ETFs popular among traders is their flexibility, lower costs compared to the mutual funds, and the opportunity to diversify quickly. To trade the EFTs comfortably and profitably, you will need platforms that combines both strong analysis, smooth execution, and tools that suits your trading style. So let's walk through the top ETF trading platform and apps you could consider right now. The first one we're going to talk about is the MetaTrader 4, and this has been around since 2005 and remains one of the most widely used platforms globally. Although it was originally designed for Forex, many brokers have since opened the ETF trading through MetaTrader 4. The biggest reason traders still trade the MetaTrader 4 is because of its reliability and support for automated strategies such as the Expert Advisor. With EAs, you can program your trading strategy and let the platform execute trades automatically without constant monitoring. This makes the MetaTrader 4 excellent for those who prefer system-driven trading. Another strength of the MetaTrader 4 is its extensive library of indicators. It has an extended library of indicators. You can download thousands of free or paid custom tools created over the years by a huge community of developers. This means that you can tailor MT4 precisely to your ETF trading style, whether you want to use your moving average, whether you want to use your Fibonacci retracement tools, or your trend following indicators. Whatever you want to use, the MetaTrader has it. However, the MetaTrader 4 does have limitation. The platform itself is dated and its mobile version, while functional, it lags behind competitors in design and accessibility. More importantly, the ETF access on the MT4 depends entirely on your broker. Some may not offer the ETFs on the platform at all, which leads us to the next platform we'll discuss, which is called the MT5. The MT5 is the revolution of the MT4. The MT4 but does not think of it just as an upgrade. It is a completely different platform built to handle a wider range of markets, including the ETFs. One of the standout advantages of the MT4 over the MT5 is its multi-asset trading. You can trade ETFs alongside stocks, futures, forex, and the commodities within the same platform. This is particularly useful if you want to diversify across asset classes without switching tools. The MT5 also comes with an economic calendar integrated directly into the platform. You can track events, announcements, and central bank decisions that might influence the market and your ETF position, all without needing a separate calendar. Add to this backtesting capabilities and more other types than the MT4, and you would have a platform that is far more advanced for analysis and strategy testing. Where the MT5 struggles is its broker adoption. While many brokers adopt it for ETFs, the MT4 still commands a larger user base. That has been said, the MT5 is clearly the better long-term choice for ETF traders who wants to versatile to be versatile and more modern and use more modern tools, which leads us to the next trading platform, which is called the MetaTrader, TradingView. Now, the TradingView has become the gold standard for charting and analysis in today's market. Unlike the MetaTrader, it is not primarily a trading execution platform. Instead, its strength is in analysis and community insights, making it powerful competition for ETF traders. The TradingView charts are modern, clean, and highly customizable. You can analyze your stocks, your funds, your futures, forex, crypto, index, and the bonds. Now, which makes it convenient if you are comparing ETF performance against different benchmarks. What really separates the TradingView is its community interaction. Thousands of traders publish analysis and ideas daily. You can follow their work, comments, or even adapt their strategy for your own trading. This gives beginners especially a chance to see how professional traders interpret ETFs movement and market conditions. They also have a Pina script, the script language in the TradingView. It allows you to build your own custom indicator and strategy without needing heavy programming knowledge. If you want to test out an ETF specific indicator or screeners, Pina script makes it accessible. The TradingView also shines with its alert system. You can set alerts based on price indicators or even the Pina script conditions. The alerts can go to your phone, your email, or integrate into an external service, keeping you connected to the market without being glued to your chart. The one downside is its order execution. Although the TradingView has brokers integrated, it isn't built for heavy execution like MT4 or MT5 or the cTrader. Most traders use it for analysis and then execute elsewhere on their trading platform. Which leads us to the last but not the least trading platform we are going to talk about, known as the cTrader. Now, the cTrader is another platform gaining strong recognition, often seen as a competition for the MetaTrader. It is specifically known for its speed and transparency in order execution, which many traders value. The platform provides clear pricing and other toolbooks access, which shows you more detailed and a lot of market liquidities for the ETF traders. Who cares about execution quality? This visibility can help make better decisions about entries and exits. The design of the cTrader is sleek and user-friendly. Its mobile app is particularly well regarded, giving you full control over your position without losing functionality. It also supports custom indicators and trading boards through its own option known as the algo. The only disadvantage is the broker availability. Few brokers support the ETFs on the cTrader compared to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which means your access can be limited depending on the broker you choose. Still, the platform is an excellent choice for traders who want clarity, transparency, and faster trading decisions. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.